What's up guys, Yogesh here from Utilize Your Business. As an Amazon affiliate, this year is pretty tough. Amazon came out and slashed everybody's payout. Everybody was affected. Now, if you're looking for an alternative to replace your income you're generating from Amazon affiliate, this is the video for you. Stick around, I'm going to show you 10 different affiliate programs that are alternative to Amazon, and all of them are pretty good, but wait till the end of the video. The last one is really good one. So stick around and let's make a list of 10 affiliate programs where you can replace your Amazon affiliate incomes. Let's go. Welcome back. So when you're looking at a program that's alternative to Amazon affiliate program, the one main thing you need to look at is Amazon on his platform has a variety of things. So other affiliate programs that you're looking for should have a variety of things that covers anywhere that you could think of it. So the first program that I'm going to talk about is Walmart. Yes, Walmart, most of us are familiar with their physical locations, but they also have their online presence, and guess what? They also have affiliate programs. So you can get anywhere from, they sell anything from baby products all the way to camping gear, and they have a range of products. Now, the commissions are also ranges from 4% to anywhere to sometimes to 18% more. It all depends on products you are selling it. On top of that, another plus point is their cookies. Their cookies is for 3 days versus Amazon, which is only for 24 hours. So the first recommended program, Walmart. So the second alternative to Amazon's affiliate program is Target. Just like Walmart, most of us known as from their physical location, but they do have a big presence on online, and also they have really good affiliate programs. One of the good things about Target is they have, just like Amazon, they have a variety of range of products that you can sell it, and their main plus points, first is their cookie is for 7 days, which is much better than Amazon's and Walmart. And the second thing that I really liked it is their commission payout. They also have referral, so you can refer a client to the Target. They don't need to buy anything, but you still make a commission on referring new clients to Target. So by the way, I really forgot about their commission rate, which is 8%, much better than Walmart and Amazon. Second alternative to Amazon affiliate program, Target. The third program that I'm going to talk about is Wafer. It's an e-commerce company that sells furniture, home decor, home goods. Good thing about Wafer affiliate program is it does have a wide range of products in the home decor and on the furnitures, just like Amazon. So there are a variety of products and you can make a good amount of money. The cookie is for 7 days along with the 7% commission. Mind you that their average order is of $300 or more, so it's a good amount of money that you can make being as affiliate for a Wafer. The fourth program that I'm going to talk about, anybody familiar with sports knows about this brand, Nike. Nike, anywhere you can talk about sports, I'm pretty sure you've heard about Nike. They do have their affiliate program, and other than the shoes, they also sell any appraisals such as clothing. The Nike offers 14% commission with 7 days cookie. If you're looking for a brand name, Nike is one of the leading brand, and people who are associated with it. Nike has amazing affiliate programs. So this is a program to consider if you wants to go into a sports niche. The fifth program I'm going to talk about is STC. It's easily the first name you can think of when you're looking into the handmade items online. So they do have a really attractive affiliate program. Their affiliate programs gives you a 4% commission, similar to what Amazon used to do it, but they do have healthy 30 days cookie period. And also on top of that, if you do have SSC store online, they give you a chance to become affiliate. You cannot make commission on your own products, but you can make a decent amount of commission on selling other products on SSC's platform. The sixth affiliate program that I'm going to talk about is Chewy. People who are in the pet niche. They offer anything from pets from dogs, horses to reptiles, anything related with the pet things. Their affiliate program is a little bit different because they give you, for every new customer to bring in, you will receive a flat $15 commission, and they also provide a 15-day last touch cookie. Seventh program that I'm going to talk about is Sharesale. Most of the people who are affiliate on online have heard of Sharesale. Similar to the Amazon, one of the pro thing about a lot of people do end up joining Amazon at the first place was the variety of things that people can buy it from Amazon platform. So this is similar to Amazon, where Sharesale has a variety of merchants on their platform, and individuals can buy a variety of things on their platform. With variety of merchant Sharesales offer on their platform, they also have a variety of range of the commissions, anywhere from 2% all the way to 13%. It all depends on the product. But the really plus point of the Sharesale is their whopping healthy 365 or 12 months cookie. So person can come in and can buy a product later on down the road within 12 months, and you still get a commission for it. The eighth Amazon alternative affiliate program I'm going to talk about is eBay. eBay it comes as close to the Amazon on the e-commerce side as possible, where it has a variety of things similar to the Amazon. They have a variety of categories similar to business to business, industrial, and also surprise, they also have real estate. So their cookie period is similar to the Amazon, 24 hours, and the commission is also similar to the Amazon, 1 to 6%. Ninth program I'm going to talk about is for people who are into the electronics and the computer. It's called Newegg. Newegg have everything from gaming equipment, drones, to the any new tech toys. And the affiliate programs, you get a commission of similar to the Amazon, 2.5. So a lot of people will think about Amazon, similar things, but mind you that their electronic gadgets or gaming console that they sell to, our value is higher. So even though the commission rate is lower, but it still adds up quickly because of the volume of the sale item that they are selling it. And the last but not the least program that you should consider is Barnes & Noble. It's one of the largest book retailer, and similar to the Amazon, they have a lot of books, digital products, and the nooks that they sell it. So you can make commission on a variety of books, digital product they sell. Their commission is similar, about 2% on the books and about 4% on the digital products, and the cookie duration is similar, 24 hours. So those are the 10 alternative programs that people who work with the Amazon should consider it to replace their income that were making it before Amazon slashed it. Hope you liked it, and hope you take advantage of one of these programs and replace the income that you're making with Amazon. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure, if this is the first time watching it, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button, because we do come up with new videos every week. Alright, have a good one.